Greetings for our physical education class away from school. I am standing actually in my driveway. It's a gorgeous day. I'm in front of my favorite evergreen tree, and a couple things before we actually get into the heart of our lesson. One, if you have a kitchen chair or step stool or even your couch, we will need the back of that and a place for you to sit down later on during our lesson. And remember, always during this time of exercising, walking, running, make sure you have that bottle of water to stay hydrated. All right. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Let's get started. So, you will repeat after me. St. Angela Merici. Take a deep breath, for the Lord is always with you. Remembering that that heart is a muscle, and you are getting older, and that means that heart is growing also. If you remember, we put that fist right in the center of our chest, and it talks to us by saying, lub-dub, lub-dub. How do we feed that heart to make it healthy and to help our body? We exercise, so let's move. And what we're going to do each time at the beginning of our lessons is to do the 10-second fitness, which you have all done. I'm going to get my iPad, and the first one, if you remember, is over and back. The second one is the skier side by side. And then you're going to cut a line, an imaginary line in half, and looking just like a pair of scissors. And then you will crisscross applesauce that we do, forward leg and then a backward pattern. All right, ready, begin, 10 seconds. Stop. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do it as skiing. So remember, ready, go. So you're skiing down the slope. Skiing down the slope. You're looking good. You're looking good. Today's a little too warm out for that skier. You're looking good. Stop. Now, we want to cut the line in half. Forward leg, backward leg. You're acting as a pair of scissors. Ready, go. You're looking good, you're looking good. Keep it going. Stop. Get ready. And now crisscross. The one that you all like to do. Ready, go. Continue on. I'm watching. I think I'm seeing you. Great job. Stop. Okay, now, the next is we are going to take a paper plate, and we've done this, if you remember, this one. And I'm using pennies again, and since we're older now, you can do up and 1, then you could add 2, then you could add 2 more, and what do you have? I hope I'm hearing 5, and you can catch them. So this is for eye and hand, balance, and arm coordination. Next, we're going to take those same pennies, and you can make that Tic Tac Toe board at home, and you could put it on the seat of your couch and stand away from it. You can put it on the floor. And then what you're going to do is you would take 1 penny and you will take and swing your arm back, take that step with your left foot forward, and just toss it onto the tic-tac-toe board. And then you can play against yourself, or if you want to play against a family member, maybe nickels or dimes you could use. You could use anything that's going to give a flop down. So let's move. Now next, we're going to our chair. And I'm going to set up my chair, and then, that's better, I think. And then I'm going to come around and I'm going to sit in this chair. You can choose your favorite song as long as it is a beat of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. So, in doing that, the first thing we're going to do is just march in place. And you can just continue marching. Then you're going to step left, kick right, step right, kick left, left, right, right, left. Then you're going to just take your hands, and you can touch with both hands going down, or you can do one arm and clap, one arm alternate and clap, one arm and clap. And then we can do circle the arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can create your own move, which I could do. So you could go step, kick, knee, step, kick, knee, or anything that you would like to do. Now, I'd like you to stand up, go behind the chair, grab a hold of the chair or couch for balance, and you're going to jump in place. So you just jump in place for 4. Then you can straddle. Then you can step like right, step left and touch right, step right and touch left, step left and touch right, back. And you can also do it step, kick to the side, step, kick to the side, step, kick to the side. And then you can create your own moves for it. You can do a walk around, you can do an up, down, up, anything that you would like. So that is the challenge. And when we come back, if we do, we'll bring out our chairs and see how you did with that. Now, as we end the lesson, I'm going to give you a few challenges to do. 1, if you remember, we did the jumps. You did a 90, 180, a 270, and a 360. That 360 is where if I jumped, I would turn all the way around and be facing you. That 90 is just a quarter of a turn. And if you remember, the 180 is I would jump and I would have my back to you. So practice all of that. The next important challenge and the last challenge before we end is our walk challenge. And today I'd like you to walk and take 100 steps. That's pretty easy, inside or out. And then tomorrow, I would like you to add another 100, and you would be taking 200 steps. 20 days from today, you would have walked 2,000 steps, and that equals 1 mile. Good luck to you. I have one other request. Do one special act of kindness. And at this time, take your right hand over your heart, your left hand over your tummy. Breathe in for 4 counts. Breathe out for a little more. And at this time, I say goodbye and good luck to you and blessings.